Today we're going to be taking a look at this PEX expander that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box and see what it comes with. So right out of the box, you're going to find this thing packaged in this nice case. It comes with, of course, the manual. It comes with the expander tool, a charger, 2 batteries, some professional grease, 1/2 inch expander, 3/4 inch expander, 1 inch expander. So everything you need to get started, you just need your pipes. I'm going to go ahead and get these batteries charged up and we're going to try it out on some PEX. Using this is pretty simple. You've got the tool itself and then you've got the heads. You need to pick the appropriate head for the size pipe you're using. This is 1/2 inch. To put it on, you just slide it over this cone here, and there's threads on the tool. You just twist it on and thread it until it's nice and snug. You don't have to go crazy to tighten it because you're going to want to be able to pull that off by hand later. And then you would put the pipe over the end and you would just pull this trigger. It does have a trigger lock on this. So if you want to lock it, make sure you're not doing anything you shouldn't be doing or accidentally hitting this trigger. You can put the trigger lock and it won't work. But once the head's on there, you get the pipe in there. This will do what it needs to do. And if you'll notice, this slowly rotates. That is to make sure the pipe and the ring around the pipe get evenly expanded so they'll fit on the fitting with no problem. I don't have any expansion rings with me right now, but I do have just some small cuts of PEX pipe, and we'll see kind of how this works. Watch this. So now if you'll notice, it has this bell to the pipe with the expansion ring that would be on there would expand, and then you'd have the fitting that would go in, and this is going to slowly shrink back down and clamp onto that fitting nice and tight. Of course, when it's cold outside, it takes a little longer. It might even take more expansions. The warmer the pipe is, the easier it's going to be flexible. What I like about this too is I know it's a PEX expander, but I have run into other types of pipe, polyurethane pipe. We actually have this special irrigation pipe that we use at our property, and it's not this pipe. This is kind of the cheap pipe, but we have certain fittings and they are just horribly hard to get on. So I could use something like this with the same concept. I could loosen this up a little bit, and as you can see, it's already made a little bell. Then I'd be able to really push those fittings in there and should be able to hold nice and tight. So it'll work with anything like this that you just need expanded a little bit. But again, it is meant for PEX piping with PEX rings. But yeah, great little tool. I love its compact size. You can just hook this thing on your belt or in your pocket. Comes with 2 batteries. That should last you a really long time. And it's got everything you need in here. It's got even the grease to maintenance the heads. Just a cool little kit. I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.